Hello and welcome to our magical garden. So today I'm doing a quick behind the scenes video on how all of the music is created on our channel. Let's take a quick tour before we dive in. So this is my basement studio. It's used mainly for my other hobby outside of gardening, which is music. So I do make the music for the channel in here, but I don't use this rather intimidating looking equipment. That's a modular synthesizer. Most of the stuff that I do for the gardening channel is done directly onto the computer right there. So I spend quite a lot of time hidden away in this small basement studio, and this is where the music for the channel gets made. So what do I mean when I say it's all recorded inside the computer? Well, the computer has software that can record multiple instruments, including the guitars on the wall behind me. So what you're looking at here are the tracks that have been recorded in for this piece. So you can see there's a piano and there's a guitar, etc. If I play the piece, you can actually hear them one by one. There's the piano, there's the guitar. So each of these tracks were recorded in one by one. If I select, for example, the piano, I'm playing the piano there, or if I select the violas down here, now the keyboard plays the violas. And then in that way, the whole composition is built up into a finished track.